Welcome to So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and I have started a little fall along to make a small quilt called Starlight. Now it's a mystery, but it is a traditional block, but I have found a different way of making it. Now I have chosen two fabrics, 1 yard of each of those fabrics. If you want to make it bigger, by all means, you can do that. And you can also make it scrappy. But I've chosen a medium green and a light floral to go with it. So last time we had all of the fabric prepared and cut out. So today we're going to do just a little bit of sewing, and it's going to be some unusual sewing. So last time we were able to cut all of our fabrics and get them ready. This time we're going to sew some together. We need the smaller triangles and the rectangles, and we're going to switch them up. Now the sewing is going to be really strange, but a lot of fun. This longer end we are not going to sew on. We're going to sew on these two shorter sides. And we're going to sew these pieces on. But we're not going to start right at the corner. We're going to start down about a 1/2 inch. So we're going to be able to take that one piece, lie it down, and stitch. So we're going to have a little space here. That one's going to get stitched down. Then the next side is going to get stitched down. And we also are going to leave a 1/2 inch. We don't need to measure. It is only an approximate. We are going to be able to trim everything down every step of the way. We're going to be trimming this point off, so we do not need to waste that fabric. For speed, I'm going to chain piece these, which means I'm going to do one piece right after another. So I'm going to sew the one, and I do not have to stitch all the way down. So once I've passed that tip, I'm just going to turn and stitch off. The next piece will go underneath. So I'm laying this piece over top and leaving that little bit of space. And we really just need a little bit more than 1/4 inch. And we don't have to measure it. And I'm going to stitch. And this is where I do not need to go all the way down. I just need to go past that little end. And then I will stop, pivot, stitch off, and do my next piece. Once I've stitched that one side, I'm going to stitch this side and line it up so it's just going under a little bit. So I'm not going to that corner. So when we look at it, we have that row of stitching here, but we don't need to move that fabric. It's not going to get in the way. I have that space here. That piece is inside out of the way. Well, I'm going to start stitching. There's that other piece coming in now. And stitch. When I get to that point, just stitch off. I'm going to continue that chain piecing, put this down, and stitch that other side. And you can see I'm really not measuring it. I'm just leaving a space. If this was right to the edge, I would have to move it. But since I have the space, I don't need to worry about it. I could just stitch. And stitch off. By leaving that little space, it's just allowed me to stitch one right after another. I could do the one side and the second side, and I didn't have to press. Now I can go press. So when we open them up, that's what it's going to look like. And we're going to press these. Press one seam going out and one seam coming in. And it won't matter which one's coming in or which one's going out. We just need all of them to be pressed the same way. So I have the one coming into that triangle and the one coming out. And I'm going to do that to both of my stacks. So whatever fabric you're using, we're just going opposite. We have that long piece of fabric coming out, and we have a little space in the corner. And for both of the pieces, they're all going to be pressed the same way. So this is all we did today. It's a weird block, but it's going to turn out quite interesting. I do hope you join me next time when we get a little bit more sewing done on Starlight. And thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram. I have a newsletter. It's all free under Sew Very Easy. And be sure to make every day a spectacular day. Bye for now.